Yo, what's up? I'm gonna teach you how to make your very own Discord bot with ChatGPT. It'll run 24/7. You barely have to do any work on it. Super easy. First, we have to go to this website. Okay, get started. Alright, so log in with Discord. Alright, let's authorize this. It's gonna add me to the Discord server and send me a bunch of notifications. Alright, now what you want to do when you get in is go to earn coins, complete the CAPTCHA. Kind of gets annoying because you have to do it a few times for all 10 free coins. Claim 1 coin. It's one at a time, unfortunately, quite slow. I'm just going to speed this up. Alright, I got all 10 free coins. I'm not sure how long that took me. It felt like a few minutes probably. But now, once you have all 10 coins, go to create server. Enter your server name. I'm just going to do example. Choose one of these. I recommend Node.js. Click next. And we only have 10 coins, and we have to pay our deposit instantly. So we have to start with starter, but you can always change your plan. Or if you wanted to buy more coins or anything, they're not too expensive. But I'm going to keep this free for everybody. We're going to start with weekly paying on the starter. So select weekly, 10 coins, create. While it says creating, yeah. Alright, log in with Discord. This is me, okay. Alright, while this is installing, let's go to, I'll probably bring it up right here. Okay, what account am I? Okay, new application, name it, create, I am a human, okay, now let's go to bot. Just off the bat, let's enable these 3 features. Give it administrator, save changes. You can give it an icon if you want. I don't have one right now, at least. To OAuth 2, turn on identity, bot. We need to add a redirect, so let's just do HTTPS equals / localhost boom 3000. And we'll save that. Let's give it administrator permissions, message read. Honestly, give it whatever you want. It depends on what features you want. I'm just going to give it this because I'm pretty sure this is all I need. And then guild install. Oh, I didn't select it up here. Okay. And then boom. And now we paste this. Server. I am in fact human. Now we have our app. It's offline right now because we haven't hosted it. It just brings us to localhost, so we can close this. Now let's go to ChatGPT. This is going to be in the comments. Copy and paste this. Edit the commands, which is about here. Or just add or delete, change, whatever you want. And there's also some down here that it talks about the commands. And I'll paste this in. this just has basic stuff like ban, kick, mute, lock, channels. I'm just gonna tell it to put all of this into a zip that I can it actually did offer that. So let's download this. Going to open it. We're going to open this. Go to files. Alright. We need to open env and add our Discord token and client ID. So let's go back. Go to OAuth 2, copy the client ID, paste that right there, and then go back. Go to bot, hit reset token. Alright, and then copy that token. And paste that in too. Alright, now let's try it. This should work. If it doesn't, just send the error to ChatGPT and it'll help you out. Let's see. Perfect. It worked. Now if we go... Alright, so I was having a bit of an issue getting it to work. That like guild commands take a long time to load. Not like here, but like in the actual server. Global commands, they're called. So I decided to add my guild ID in .env. Because that registers it quicker. So I'll show you a demonstration on how it looks in a second. But I have no idea what I'm about to say because I'm recording this after. And I don't remember what I said. So we got all of them. Let's try just lock. Channel is general. Now let's check the channel permissions and see if people can chat. Stop granting the ability to bypass slow mode. See, now people can't chat. And if we slash unlock channel name, or wait, I think it's if there's none provided, it just, yeah, okay, it does this one. And ignore the fact that I think there's probably double of everything for me because I added it as an app. That's my fault. I don't think it'll remove it though. Yeah, there's still double of everything for me, but it's okay. We can ping the bot. We can... There's not really much we can do with just me and the server, but that's how you do it. Everything that you need will be in the description. That's all.